In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello card colors. First, open your browser and go to Trello. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your boards. From the Trello home screen, head to the boards view. This is where all of your boards live. Choose the board where you want to work. Maybe it's a simple to-do list or a team project board. The process is exactly the same no matter which board you select. With your board open, pick a card you want to update and open it to view the details. Inside the card, look for the option labeled Change Cover. This is where you control the color or image that appears at the top of the card. Go ahead and choose a color to start. Let's select green so you can see how a solid color looks. You'll notice that the cover immediately previews on the card. Next, adjust the cover size. Trello typically gives you two common styles: a larger, full-width cover that spans the top of the card, or a more compact strip that sits above the card title. The larger option is great for visual emphasis and quick scanning, while the smaller strip keeps your list view tighter and more minimal. Pick the size that fits your workflow and your board's layout. While you're here, you can enable colorblind friendly mode. Turn this on to add patterns and higher contrast treatments that make colors easier to distinguish. This is helpful not just for accessibility, but also for busy boards where multiple colors sit side by side. After enabling it, tweak the size again if you want to see how the mode behaves with different cover layouts. Click on an empty area outside of the menu to close it and preview your card cleanly on the board. If you want to make more changes, reopen the card and select Change Cover again. You can turn colorblind friendly mode back off if you prefer the default look. Now choose a different color. Let's switch to blue, so you can compare how colors affect visual grouping across your board. Using distinct colors for different categories, like design, review, or urgent, can make your lists easier to scan at a glance. You also have the option to upload a cover image. Click Upload a Cover Image and pick a file from your computer. Images work well for branding, reference visuals, or just adding personality to a board. After uploading, revisit the cover size control to decide whether the image should appear as a full banner or as a smaller strip. The full banner highlights graphics and photos, while the compact strip keeps things tidy if you have many cards on screen. Again, click on an empty area to apply and preview the result on the board. To show how to revert changes, open another card you're working on. Inside, open the cover settings and choose Remove Cover. This clears the color or image and takes the card back to a neutral appearance. This is useful if you're simplifying a board or changing your color coding system. When you're done, close the card by clicking the close icon in the corner. That's the full flow. Open your board, select a card, choose Change Cover, pick a color or upload an image, adjust the cover size, optionally enable or disable colorblind friendly mode, and preview your card by clicking away. Repeat the same steps on any card you want to update. With just a few clicks, you can make important tasks pop, add visual structure to your lists, and keep your team aligned at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Trello cards.